Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. I'm going to answer a question about how long does it take to install the windows and what's all involved. Depending on the type of window that you've purchased is going to determine how long install is going to take. If you're doing a new construction and you have an existing home and you're tearing out old windows and you're putting in brand new, we put 5 guys in a truck and send them out, we could probably do maybe about 10 to 12 windows in that day. So if your house consists of maybe double that or triple that, you can probably imagine it's going to take maybe 3 days or so to get these windows installed. What if you have a door? Well, that's another job that the guys are going to have to do. New construction always takes the longest. Now, I don't mean the new construction where you just walk up to some 2x4s and then you throw a window in. That is no time at all. That takes no time. But what I'm talking about is if you already have an existing house with windows and they're old and they're beat up and you want some new windows, retro, a whole lot less time, right? Because we're not actually removing stucco, we're not, pulling drywall from the inside, we're not doing any of that. So if you have a retro style replacement, I can bank that we're probably gonna do about 15 to 20 windows a day, easily. That's not a problem. Doors usually take about a couple of hours, and that's from start to finish. You just gotta factor all that in. If I have, 20 windows and 2 doors, well, 20 windows probably gonna take, I would just do 15 in one day, then the next day go back and finish the 2 doors and 5 more windows. For 5 guys, that'll flow just fine. And then that would get the project from start to finish done rather quick. That's a pretty good turnaround time for 20 windows, 2 doors. That's just an example. The other thing is, with vinyl windows, they're really, really easy, but you also have to think about, well, if you want wood windows, let's say you're getting some new Andersen windows and you have the wood on the inside and you have the clad on the outside. Those are gonna take a while, only because the amount of work that goes into getting those completed on the outside and on the inside. The cool thing about those windows is you don't have to do drywall returns because the entire frame is measured to sit inside the house's wall. So if the house's wall is 5 inches, well, guess what? Your entire window is ordered to be 5 inches deep. Sierra Pacific is another beautiful, beautiful window that you're gonna get if you're interested in like a wood style window with the clad on the outside. Something like that, I would venture to say you're probably gonna do maybe 5 to 8 windows in a day, depending on what kind of crew's coming out to do this. And a lot of times they might not be completed to the very, very end. There might be some more things that they have to do, but that's just a give or take. Hopefully that answers your question about how long does it take to put the windows in and what's involved. If you have any other questions or an idea for a video, put them down below. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.